Hey guys, welcome back to Geospatial tutorial. Today we'll see how to do NDVI classification. NDVI stands for Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. As a part of Geospatial fraternity, you would have already heard a lot of NDVI, but let me explain you briefly what NDVI does. NDVI basically uses different bands of a sensor and does some simple mathematical operations on them to give you the resultant NDVI image. In the NDVI image, all vegetation features are highlighted and the features apart from vegetation are suppressed. So the resultant image will have the vegetation in the image completely highlighted. So you can see vegetation as the major feature in the image. Without getting into much theoretical aspects, we'll proceed for the practicals. First, you open the viewer, as it is the first step in any of the practical. Open the file for which you want to do the NDVI classification. I am selecting the same file on which I have been doing the practicals so far. Zoom to the extent you need it. Here you see major portion of the image is dominated by vegetation. A certain part is water and some part is barren land or urban area. Once we do NDVI classification, the features whatever is red in the raw image will be completely highlighted and all other features like water and urban will be suppressed. So how do we go about it? You should proceed to interpreter menu and go to the spectral enhancement option. In there you have one option called indices. Select that. Here you will be giving the input file, that is the same file that you have selected now, and you will be mentioning the output file as well. Output file, I'll give it as NDVI and press this dialog box twice to define this output file. Now here, select function. You have an option called NDVI. Kindly select that. You can select any other function as well depending on the operation you need to perform, but here we are doing NDVI. Select that. So let me tell you what NDVI basically look like, the model. Here we'll go to, if you press on view, you will get the model builder. In model builder, you will know how this NDVI model is done. Here is your NDVI model. Here you have an input raster, that is the file that we have selected. Then the file does infrared band minus visible band and infrared band plus visible band. The operation is performed and made it into an image, that is here, that is these two. Then these two images are again divided in this function to give you the final output. This is the simple form. I can explain you in detail when you need it. The model builder will have additional features which is out of the scope of this particular tutorial. I'll teach you the model builder in due course of time. Now we'll close it. What is the formula for NDVI is band 3 minus band 2, that is infrared minus visible, band 3 plus band 2, that is infrared minus visible. Basically when I say visible, it is red, IR minus R divided by IR plus R. Okay, and here you need to select the sensor. The sensor what we are working is Landsat TM, thematic mapper, Landsat thematic mapper. Depending on that, your bands will change. Since you have selected Landsat thematic mapper, the band combination is changed now. Now you see band 4 minus band 3 and band 4 minus band plus band 3. What does it mean? Here band 4 is the infrared band, band 3 is the red band that is, this operation is performed on this Landsat thematic mapper. You select any of the sensor. If the sensor is not listed here, you can select any of the sensor and edit the function accordingly. Here you see this minus function. This one can be edited accordingly. If you feel, say, infrared is band 5 and red is band 4, you can change the things accordingly here. The information on the band combination will be available on the website of the respective satellites. Now this is what you are supposed to do, and your function is almost done. Now you need to just click OK to get your desired output. Now your model is running. Let it take some time. Now your model has completed its process. Click OK and close, and you open the same image that you have just. Now I have opened the image and zoomed to this portion. Now you can see the difference. All the features are highlighted, wherever you have the vegetation. Other features are just suppressed. We'll just maximize this window to assess the things. You can see these features, which were a little darker, have been overshadowed by the vegetation feature that is completely bright, that you can see here. And that's about NDVI. Have any doubts? Please feel free to contact me on the email ID that I have already given you. Thank you.